You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Gwladys, aka That's Your Hair, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you might as well just tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you've been rocking with me for a minute, what's up, what's good, and welcome back. So today we are here at the Human Hair Headband Wig, courtesy of Alipearl Hair, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. This is the box here, so I'm excited to see what we have in store. Now if you are new here, I've done a slew of headband wig reviews. Definitely check out my headband wig playlist. It'll be linked in my description box down below. I got curly, straight, a little bit of color. I'm really trying to bring variety when it comes to these headband wigs, so please binge watch that playlist. All right, let's see what we have inside. So I love this bag here. This pink bag. I just love the pink theme they have here. They have the hair, of course. Inside the bag, they have some headbands, wig cap, an elastic band. They have a card here detailing how to take care of your unit. Ooh, they gave me one of these rhinestone headbands and some lashes. So let's look at this hair. Ooh, okay. This is the hair here. This is the curly unit in the 24 inches, 150% density. You have your stretchy headband here, Velcro strap here. You do have clips in this one. I see that companies are starting to put clips instead of combs now. 3 clips in the front and 2 clips in the back. I did mention in another video that I like when there are more clips or combs in the back because if you want to do some type of updo, you definitely need some security back there. Even though this is a longer unit, this feels super lightweight, and I think it's due to the density, which I'm here for. So I'm just gonna toss her on and see what she's looking like. So this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the pack. This curly hair is very gorgeous. Really feeling it. I am 5'3". And this is how far the 24 inches comes on me, basically at my breast area. Now, one thing I love about the headband wig trend is that if you do not have edges, you can still take part as well. You can wear this to your hairline and you'll still be good to go. This is cute. But I'm gonna push mine just back just a tad. And this is what, wow. Like, this is it, y'all. This is me not doing anything to the hair. You see these curls? There's no water added, no product added. Wow. Okay, this is so pretty. Straight out the gate, I am impressed, y'all. Definitely impressed with this hair. If you are into long curly hair, I feel like this is the unit for you, for real. Like, look at that. I've done nothing. I literally just threw this on my head and was pretty much done. I haven't even put on a headband yet, and I actually don't mind it with just the black headband that comes attached. But of course, y'all know me, I'm gonna jazz it up in a few. But no, seriously, this is what I love about these headband wigs. Like, we lead such busy lives, and honestly, I don't mind taking a little break from the lace to be able to throw something like this on, have a cute style attached or style it myself, and then be out the door. The fact that it comes like this, out the pack, out the gate, I don't have any products in this hair. Are you kidding me? What? Yo, Alipearl. Okay. You know, I normally go for like the shorter curly or kinky curly units, but I'm feeling this long curly hair. I didn't know this is what I needed until this moment. Y'all let me know how you feel about this hair so far in the comments down below, because from what I can tell, I'm here for it. And if you are curious about what I use to just slick down my edges, I use the She Is Bomb Edge Control. Really love this gel. I've been using it for about a month now during my reviews, and it just holds me down, and it holds down these edges. So your girl is not mad whatsoever, okay? So right now I'm just gonna try out a few headbands for you all, and then we will wrap this up with my final thoughts. So if you're ready to see that, keep on watching.
If you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Alright y'all, so I'm back. I hope you all enjoyed some of the different headbands that I had to show you. I have been on a headband spree for the past month. I have bought a ton from Amazon, and the ones that I displayed, minus that very first one. That first one is from Alipearl, but the rest of them I bought from Amazon. Definitely check out my links down below if you're interested in purchasing. And remember, if you purchase through my Amazon links, you're supporting my channel. You are pouring into this channel, and trust me when I say I wholeheartedly appreciate it. But yes, y'all, I did wet this wig, and I really like the way it looks wet too. Normally I'm not a wet look kind of girl, but I like this, and I like it with the turban as well. I have recently become a turban girl thanks to my girls Natural Joy and Queen the Mindset, because when I saw them in it, I was like, oh, bet I don't have to tie nothing up. It's a wrap, literally a wrap. So here I am with this on, and I think this looks super cute. I love the different patterns that they have available on Amazon, so I highly suggest you check those out as well. How are y'all feeling about this hair? It looks good, right? It's looking pretty good. Let me back up a little bit for y'all so y'all can see the entire look. I'm here for this. Now that I've wet the hair, I can't even decide which style I like best, wet or dry, but comment down below and let me know if you like the wet or dry the best. Please let me know. Now the price for this unit is $244. I'm pretty sure I have a coupon code though. Whatever it is, I will link in the description box down below. And for this length and this curl pattern, I do think this is a solid price, pretty much standard price, and even cheaper compared to other companies that specialize in kinky, curly, or curly hair. I know some of you steer away from the higher priced units, but just shop within your budget. I feel like you will not regret making this purchase if you do decide to, because right now, the way I'm feeling in this one, woo! I'm about to go on vacation and I am ready. This girl, this bad boy, she's coming with me. She is coming with me, okay? So yes, y'all, let me know what you think about this long curly unit in the comments down below. Again, this is the 24 inches, 180% density. I know I said 150 earlier, made a mistake, actually 180%. This is a medium-sized cap. I have a medium-sized head, so it's fitting me very comfortably, but it is pretty stretchy though, so if you have a larger head, I think you'll be good to go. I have no complaints about this hair. I'm trying to think of a con, and I'm coming up short, y'all. No cons. I did get a little slight tangle at the very end, but it was like a snag. It wasn't even a full tangle, honestly. And it's curly hair, so that happens sometimes. Now, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos coming up. Make sure you check out that headband wig playlist. I will link a few of the videos down below. I've been dropping a lot of good gems, okay? And I have ones that are actually cheaper than this one too. But even with this unit, go for a shorter unit. This unit starts at $89, y'all. So I feel like with this hair in particular, there's a price point for everyone depending on the length that you desire. And if you want to see more of my videos, check them out over here to the right of me. Shout out to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this video. Love this hair so much. Thank y'all for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.